I'm here in Werkhof Blocks. This is the fast way to build blocks, a concrete house, because it's like Lego. You just connect them together. What you're looking at here is an alternative building for faster concrete houses. And it's also the new type of building that they use now these days is this kind of Lego-like building. So this is the concept. And you can see that's how the groove, your rebars will go through on the hole. And that's the only thing that you put the concrete muck in. So there is a sample here. So it's like Lego. There's your rebar that goes on the hole, and your concrete is strong and quick. So over here, these are the columns. And also the corner. So this is like the sample build, and they also have ready made. This is your steel decking, and then when you put on the second floor with your steel blocks, it can be because they also have this lintel type that you can pour in, the big lintel where you can pour in the concrete. See the concept of building. And that's your steel decking for the second floor, and that's your rebars for the second floor, and that's the beam. So they also have blocks for your beams. So it's becoming so popular here right now in Cebu City. You know that building work are very progressive these days. More and more building is created here around Cebu. So the fastest that you can do it, the better. So the way to build a quick building but strong is to use this kind of blocks, the Lego-like blocks from Werkhof. So the size of the blocks, as you can see, this is the one that they put skim coat on directly, and that's the beam. So that's the beam like that you can put your rebars and pour your concrete. Aside from that, they also have the lintel type, which I am buying right now. This one for your windows and doors. It comes in 1.2 meters and 1.6 meters. So you need two, like 134 pesos each for 1 meter and 165 pesos each for the 1.6 meter. And this is the concept of the building work. So it will save you money in the end, because if you look at it, these are the blocks. And you don't need to render it. You can directly skim coat after you have piled the blocks. So you can see how busy they are now. A lot of orders. It's a Lego-like building work. So this is where the plant is. This is where the machine. So from the sand, then the cement mixing from that top there, and then it goes down here to the block making area. So that's the mixing. Then the block making. So these are the Lego-like blocks. It comes in 4-inch and 6-inch. So the 4-inch block is 83 pesos per piece. And then the 6-inch block is 104 pesos per piece. But like I said, you will be assured of the quality and you will save the muck and the rendering because the block itself is ready for skim coating. And this is how it looks like. And like the transom bar is what I call the lintel on top of the windows and doors. The transom bar for 1.2 meters is 134. And for 1.6 meters is 164. And that's how they render skim coat after piling the blocks Lego-like. Now, the U block. U block is this one for the beams. So the U block is 180 pesos per piece. It's stackable as well. And then you got the column blocks. This is the column blocks. It comes in 250 and 300. The 300 is 180 per piece, and then the 250 is 160 per piece. And then you got the corner ones, about 250 per piece. So this is the Lego-like building, the fastest way to build your concrete houses and concrete buildings. So if you're like ordering a lot the prices I've given you is the retail per piece. So if you're ordering a lot, they will give you 5% off. So welcome to the Lego-like block system. Lego-like building for your homes and buildings. So there you go. So you can see this is where they make the blocks. This is the factory of the Werkhof Blocks. This is located in Happy Valley. If you look at the Google Maps, it will take you here to Werkhof Blocks. So Werkhof Blocks is efficient in quality, straight blocks, lighter by 200 kilograms, the plaster than 4-inch plastered 4-inch hollow blocks. You got cooler walls due to air gap and unfilled cells. So you'll be buying it direct from their factory here in our Abellana. Just follow the Happy Valley Road. And this is the Werkhof office and factory. You can't miss it because there is a sign right from the road. So I'll show you where the road is. And this is where that's the road of Happy Valley. And that's the Werkhof Blocks thing. This is their signage. Right on the road. And you can see them working here on their factory. Build strong, less costly, finish quick.